Never say this in English. If you're learning English, there is one simple mistake that instantly makes your English sound unnatural, and almost every beginner says it. But here's the secret. Native speakers never say it, not even once. Today, I will fix that mistake in less than 5 minutes, and then teach you 7 powerful, natural alternatives that will make you sound confident and fluent. And I guarantee, by the end of this video, you'll never make this mistake again. Last week, one of my students told me, "Teacher, I am agree." And the moment he said it, every native speaker in the room noticed something was wrong. This is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. And the problem is not the words. It's how English actually works. So let me show you exactly what to say. Section 1. Reveal the mistake. Most beginners say, "I'm agree." But English speakers never say this. Why? Because agree is not an adjective. It's a verb. You only use am with adjectives like, "I am hungry," "I am tired," "I am happy." But agree is an action, a verb. So the correct sentence is simply, "I agree." Let's compare them quickly. I'm agree. I agree. Didn't agree. I didn't agree. I'm agree with you. I agree with you. Section 2. Make it stick. Say this with me right now. Repeat out loud. Yes, actually say it. I agree. I agree with you. I didn't agree. Good. Repeating out loud helps your brain lock the correct pattern permanently. Section 3. Advanced versions. Sound native. Now here's where most English learners stop. But you are not going to stop, because I want to give you the native speaker upgrades. These make you sound more confident. 1. I totally agree. Use this when you strongly agree. 2. I completely agree. Stronger and more formal. 3. I absolutely agree. Sounds very professional. 4. I agree with you 100%. Emotional or excited agreement. 5. Exactly. No need to say I agree. This is very common in conversations. 6. That's so true. Friendly and natural. 7. I couldn't agree more. This means I agree fully. Very native. Section 4. Actual dialogue examples. Now let's see how native speakers really use these in conversation. Dialogue 1. Simple. A. This place is beautiful. B. I agree. Dialogue 2. Strong opinion. A. English gets easier when you practice every day. B. I totally agree with you. Dialogue 3. Emotional. A. Your confidence is improving. B. That's so true. Dialogue 4. Professional. Adam, we should finish the project before Friday. B. I absolutely agree. Section 5. Mini test. Now I want to test you. I'll show you a sentence, and you choose the correct version. 1. I agree with that. A. Am. B. Nothing. Correct answer, B. I agree with that. Next. 2. I kaku agree more. A. Couldn't. B. Don't. Correct answer, A. I couldn't agree more. Next. 3. Which one sounds more natural? A. I totally agree. B. I very agree. Correct answer, A. You got them? Great. Let's continue. Section 6. How to never forget this. To make sure you never say, I am agree again, follow this simple rule. If it ends with lie or describes a feeling, use I am. If it is an action, don't use am. Examples. I'm happy, right. I'm ready, right. I am hungry, right. I am agree. Wrong, because agree is an action. So, I agree is right. Section 7. Practice with me. Now let's speak together. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it. Sentences. 1. I agree. 2. I totally agree with you. 3. That's so true. 4. Exactly. 5. I couldn't agree more. Perfect. You're sounding more natural already. If you want to fix more beginner grammar mistakes like this, mistakes that every learner makes, then click the next video. I'm going to show you 5 English mistakes every beginner makes and how to fix them instantly. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Like, share, and subscribe for more.